Hi everyone, my name is Mike Mello, broker associate and co-owner at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today we're in Port St. Lucie, which is on the east coast of Florida in between Daytona Beach and Miami. So we're going to show you this home behind me. It's called the Julia. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,968 square feet of living. And the base price at time of filming is going to be $446,990. Now that's the base price, does not include lot premiums or upgrades. So that will drastically change the price of the home, and you'll see as we go in some of the upgrades that this specific home has. The community that we're in is called Verano. It is a PGA community with a 54-hole golf course and plenty of activities if you're an active adult, including pickleball courts, tennis courts, basketball courts, a community center that has an indoor pool with lap pool, sauna, and billiards. It has pretty much everything that you can think of for that active adult lifestyle. If you want more information about the community, make sure you contact us. The information will be in the description and we'll send you everything that you'll need. And let's go ahead and talk about the home. So as we come to the home, we have some really nice paved driveways coming up to a 2-car garage, a couple carriage lights on either side, and of course a little pathway coming over to the entry. We have all this nice tropical landscaping coming up to the front entry. Front entry, we do have a step up, a little covered area. And of course, in front of me, we do have an upgraded door that is sort of maroon in color with this opaque color glass in there. So it's really beautiful design, but lots of natural light in, but also gives you privacy. So let's go ahead and go inside and check out this home. So welcome into this home. So as I close the door behind me, the first thing I notice, of course, are these beautiful gray tiles that go throughout this home. As I come into the entryway, you notice there's a pretty wide entryway, very, very tall ceilings. The ceiling is a tray ceiling. It's got a crown molding on the outer and inner side of the tray, and also we have gray within the tray. That gray matches the gray tile very, very well. So let's go ahead and start with the second bedroom, which is over here to my right. So as I go to my right, we go into the bedroom. It's got some really nice plush carpet. We have our bed, a couple end tables on the other side, window, and then on the other side we do have our closet. So everything you need for a bedroom. As I walk back out through here, we go to our right. Right in front of me is going to be a linen closet, so you can put all your linens in there. And then of course we have our bathroom. Bathroom has some really nice white cabinets, great countertop. We have our mirror that's framed all the way up to the ceiling. We have our light fixture coming out of the mirror. Of course, the toilet, frameless shower with the square tiles, and also porcelain or subway tile going all the way up to the ceiling with the window coming in for some natural light. So let's go ahead and show you what we have on the other side of the hallway. So as we come through here, we have the entry hallway that goes all the way through, but to my left, we have another door. This door goes into the 2-car garage to get you an idea of the size of the garage. Right next to that, we have the air handler on our other side, and then we have our laundry room. So you come through this door, we come into the laundry room, we have our washer dryer, we even have a sink area. This would be an upgrade, an example of an upgrade, even though this home doesn't have too many upgrades compared to a lot of the Kolter models. And then we also have the cabinets, which will also be another example of an upgrade for the Kolter builder. So let's go ahead and we're going to continue down the hallway. Now over to our right is a flex space. So they're currently using it as a living room, but it could be an office, it can be a formal dining room, it could be whatever you really want it to be. So right now they have it for a couple sitting areas. You can sit here, talk to people, you have your little drink station. And what they've done really well here is they've done a lot of wood trim all the way throughout. Really makes the room pop. We even have the crown molding all the way around the ceiling as well. So let's go ahead and show you the main living area. Again, this is a little bit under 2,000 square feet, but this makes it look a lot bigger. So we have our kitchen, we have our dining room, we have our family room. So this is your hub of your house. So let's talk about the kitchen first. Kitchen has this very large center island with this beautiful, beautiful countertop. It does go all the way to the edge. And then of course we have the cabinets. It has 3 pendant lights and also plenty of seating. Now on the other side, we do have the gray cabinets, the nice white solid surface counters. We have gray tile going all the way throughout. You'll notice that gray and white theme throughout this whole house. Of course, you have the light gray cabinets here as well. And we have our stovetop air vent. On the other side, we have our dishwasher. We have our sink with our faucet, and it continues all the way through to the other side. Now, over here, we do have a walk-in pantry. So let me go ahead and show you the walk-in pantry. The nice thing about the pantry is all the custom cabinetry, which of course would be an upgrade. We have the nice gray cabinets, the solid surface countertops, which is really nice if you want to put like a coffee maker or something in the pantry. You can do that with this one. And of course, the cabinets continue all the way up to the ceiling with some nice crown molding as well. Plenty of space here. Really, really nice pantry. I even like the drawers that pull out here that are also soft close. As I come out of the pantry, we have our oven and microwave combo, and then our refrigerator. The cabinets continue all the way along, all the way out to the end right here. So a nice sized kitchen for the house. Now, right next to the kitchen will be the dining living area. So the dining room is currently set up for 6 people to sit around. You can easily put an extra chair here and make it as an 8-person dining set. Nice light fixture coming out from the center. And then we have these windows for some natural light. You can see the blue skies out there that we have today. Above us, we see an elevated ceiling with a tray ceiling with a lot of crown molding and a lot of nice wood trim as well. The wood trim is white, and then of course the ceiling itself is gray. You get that gray and white contrast that you see throughout, including here in the family room. Even the furniture has that same gray and white feeling. So the interior designers definitely got that gray and white theme going throughout this house. So this really nice chandelier coming down from the center, and of course the TV. So if you want to watch TV, sit around, whatever you want it to do. And of course all the way around the kitchen and family room and dining room, you see the crown molding going all the way through. Over on the far side, we do have the sliding glass door that opens up into the summer kitchen, fire pit, and all that sort of stuff. We'll show you that later on in the video, but first of all, let's go ahead and show you the primary bedroom suite. So as I come through here, we change into this really nice plush carpet. We have a king size bed, a couple end tables on either side. This really nice wallpaper that goes out. We have crown molding all the way around, and of course a tray ceiling with crown molding, and you get that gray ceiling that contrasts with the white as well. And of course this huge picture window looking out onto the backyard. Over to the right, we do have the primary bathrooms. Let's go ahead and go in there. As I walk in, we have this really beautiful porcelain tile throughout, and of course on our left, we see the cabinets. We have the white cabinets, stainless steel hardware, and of course this dark gray countertop, couple of sinks. We have the mirror with a couple light fixtures coming out. Above the mirror, we do have a window for some natural light. On the other side, we do have a shower. The shower is framed in chrome. We do have hexagon tiles on the floor, and of course also on the far wall, and then the porcelain tiles going up on either side of the wall. I love the hexagon tiles with all the different designs in them, pretty cool. Right next door, we do have the water closet with some really neat wallpaper. And then behind me, we do have a walk-in closet. So as I come in here, they've gone back to that same plush carpet we saw in the primary bedroom, and everything is here. It's got the built-in. So this will be an upgrade too, because usually you have the wire racks in the closet. So let's go ahead and show you the outside. Now, if you haven't done already, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, whether you're looking to buy a home or get some design ideas. We both have this channel, the MELLO Group, and we also have luxury homes. So if you're looking for a little bit higher end home, we do have that available. Also, those typically start about $1 million and higher at our At Luxury Homes channel here on YouTube. So let's go ahead and go outside and show you what we have. So outside we have this really nice covered area. So it's a big area. We have a dining set, 6-person dining room, summer kitchen over on the far side with a barbecue, sink, refrigerator, everything you need. So if you're out here and wanting to enjoy a nice barbecue in the Florida weather like we have right now, this will be a nice really house. So as we come up, they've extended this. This is all upgrades. So this will be not things that aren't included, and they did spend quite a bit of money on the upgrades. We have the pavers going all the way throughout. We have this little wall that you can sit on, and we have our fire pit. That's the same fire pit we have at our house, Haley. The exact same one with even the same grill on the top. This shows you all the tropical landscaping and also the typical width and length that these lots are here in Verano. So as we come over this side, this is a really nice area. It's a little sitting area. They have this like tent thing going over above us. What is that called? I'm not too sure, but it gives you some nice shade. So it's pretty neat. I've seen them in a few different areas. So it gives you the shade so you can sit and enjoy the beautiful Florida weather. So anyway, that's this home. If you want more information about this home or the community, make sure you contact us. All our information will be in the description below. My phone number is 407-487-3030. You can call or text anytime, and we can help you make your purchase decision of your dream home here in Florida. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.